Hello, how you guys doing? Today we are here in Nimba County to bring you live development ongoing. That is the road from Ganta-Saclepea. The government of Liberia through the Ministry of Public Works is working on this road. I remember when we drove on this road last year around June, it was all dusty road, and now we are on the after paved road, and is currently covering 5 kilometers from Ganta, and the road is extending to Saclepea. Keep tuned, subscribe to this channel if you haven't. This is Truth Liberia. Thank you.
Last year we traveled on this road. It was all dusty road. Just June 2021 to May 2022. There is smooth butter from Ganta. This is development, people. This is a huge milestone of development for this county. There's the Prince Johnson University, and the road comes pass through the university, right in front of the university, and going, as you can see, the road.
So that's it, guys, for this week. Again, we brought you live development ongoing in Nimba County. That is the construction of road from Ganta to Saclepea. Stay tuned for more development in Liberia and keep subscribed to this channel.